Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the second Sudoku. Second Sudoku in this edition of today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's still Wednesday, October the 13th, 2021. We have here two puzzles left. Tectonic with 4 stars and a binary. And I will do the binary first. There are more puzzles in this additional 6, I believe, but I won't do them all. I've told you why. It's too much for me to solve and upload it to YouTube. I have a slow connection, so I need the same time for uploading it. But first we will solve this baby number 3533. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. A double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Here we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there 1. Then between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 ones comes in O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there 1. Between 2 ones comes in O. Double O here, 1 there 1. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Then we need to compare. I think. Yeah. Double one. Here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Okay, now we need to compare. Yeah, now we need to compare. Yeah. Let me scan. Scan the puzzle. This column and that column. 1 1 0 0 empty box. 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 empty box. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. And now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Here we have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Compare again. Compare again. I cannot compare this one, so 1 1 1 1 0 1 1 0. Okay. Ooh, almost the same. 1. So we need to compare the columns then. 1 0. The first column and this one. Yes. Empty box. 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 empty box. So we need to switch these 2 digits. With O here, this should be a 1. With a 1 here, this should be an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Here we have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Finished in 4 minutes. Yeah, great binary. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you later with the last puzzle, a tectonic with 4 stars. See you then. Bye bye for now.